Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So if you guys do not remember me, I'm the one who actually did a video, one of the first videos on these chemical guys blower right here. Now, I did the first impression, and actually I've owned this for a little bit over a year now, and I wanted to actually go ahead and give you my opinions after owning it for about a year. So, first off, I'm going to go ahead and show you. Right now I have a 2010 Camaro SS waiting to get dried up, and the sun is hot in California right now. And that's about like a 95 or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and get this dried up. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys watch it, see its performance, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys the reviews on it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dry this baby up. Alright guys, so if you guys did not watch my previous video, there is 6 speeds on this one. So we have, I'm gonna start off on 2 and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. I'm gonna go ahead and mute the volume again because it's too loud and I don't want it to blow your eardrums out. So without further ado. Alright guys, so if you don't recall, this is, last time I said this was actually the best for doing wheels, so we're going to go ahead and show you guys that right now. Alright guys, so unfortunately during this 1 year review, we have been having a little bit of issue. I'm gonna go ahead and try to talk over it, but it's going right now. But unfortunately, you can kind of hear it cutting power for some reason. Alright guys, so as I was actually finishing up drying off the car, I was actually doing the last wheel on it, and next thing you know, when I'm blowing it, I had it on speed 6, and it actually exploded and shot sparks out and little embers out from this side right here, from the hole where it actually sucks in when you're blowing, and smoke just kind of started coming out of it afterwards. So I went ahead and I just unplugged it, threw it to the side, so you know, in case of fire or anything like that would happen. But before that happened, I literally had nothing but good things to say about this blower, and I still do have nothing to say but good things. Because this blower has been so good to me. It's been a little bit over a year. I've detailed so many cars, hundreds and hundreds of cars actually, with this blower. And again, I never really recommended to actually use it over the whole entire vehicle. I've always recommended to use it for like the door jams, any crevices, or any door jams, any tail lights, headlights, any symbols that you have on the car, and especially the wheels. It always worked good for wheels and tires, and I still recommend this blower. I mean, again, I never had an issue until right now, and you know, a little over a year after constant use. It wasn't just, you know, a daily or weekend use when you wash your car every other weekend or something like that. No, this was used practically every other day. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video with still the same review as I did a year ago when I first got it. This blower is excellent, and I have nothing but good things to say. So rest in peace to this one. Will I probably get another one? Probably. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and see you guys in the next video. If you haven't checked out all my other videos, be sure to check them out and like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.